Hello friends, welcome to the channel Trading Strategies. Now we'll discuss how to trade tomorrow, that is Monday, 15th June 2020. For tomorrow's trade, I selected 4 stocks. One is Apollo Hospital, SBI Life, Petronet LNG and M&M, Mahindra and Mahindra. These 4 stocks, how to trade on Monday, intraday, we'll discuss and have a trade plan for Monday. First, we'll take Apollo Hospital and we see where we'll get. This is the Apollo Hospital daily chart. If you see the Friday candle is a big green candle, decent momentum. This consolidation range may break out tomorrow, expected to break out this range. So next level is 1440 and 1450 kind of levels. For intraday, how to trade on Monday. So this is the trade plan for Apollo Hospitals on Monday. See, this is the rally here, some base and rally. So if the price comes to 1375, this is the buying area, and keeping a stop loss below 1360, 1361 kind of levels, aim for a target of 1403. If breakout happens, Friday high, that is 1410, then wait for 15 minutes, and if the price sustain above 1410, you can go and attempt for a buy and aim for a target of 1440. So that is the trade plan for Monday, Apollo Hospitals. The next stock is SBI Life. We'll see SBI Life now. This is SBI Life daily chart. If you see here, this is the demand area. It given a support on Friday and moved up. So there is a probability of it is retracing this fall. The fall retracing see, it closed near the 23.6%. On a positional basis, I am expecting to test at 50% retracement level. For intraday, we have to trade in a different way, so that we will see. For Monday, we have to enter somewhere this zone around 740 and keeping a stop loss below 735 and aim for a target of 763. This is my entry, so around 740, and keep stop loss of 5 rupees. 735 is my stop loss, so somewhere here, okay, 735, right, and my target is here. So I'm expecting it may test 760 kind of levels, 38.2% of this retracement. So this is the expecting for Monday. If you want to trade on a positional basis, still you can buy somewhere in this zone, but stop loss should be below 723 and aim for a target of 774 and 785 kind of levels in coming days, maybe 1 week or maximum 10 days. So that way we can trade SBI Life. The another stock is Petronet LNG. This is a Petronet LNG daily chart. If you see the decent rally, and here it is consolidating, and higher side the resistance is at 267 and 270 levels is the previous, the fall started, that is the high resistance. So the Friday candle, it is a bullish, and if you compare with this consolidation, it seems to give a breakout. So for intraday purpose, how to trade this? Very simple. Entry should be here If comes to this area only, we have to enter, and keeping a stop loss below here. Right, 3 rupee 50 paisa is a stop loss, and aim for a target of here. So 1:2. This is the first target. If sustained above this level, it is a probability of testing this level at 267. So this way we can trade on Monday the Petronet LNG. So far Apollo Hospital, Petronet LNG and SBI Life, these three stocks were given a trade plan, and the next stock is Mahindra and Mahindra. There is a news in the stock, but I am not considering that news for my trade plan. The news regarding the NCD issue of Mahindra and Mahindra. Now we'll go to Mahindra and Mahindra and we'll see the chart. See, Mahindra and Mahindra, this is the daily chart of Mahindra and Mahindra, and if you see the Friday candle, the big bullish candle and the breakout. So this is the consolidation of 6 days. After 6 days, it has given a decent breakout. So we'll see the breakout. So this is the breakout area. If it retests the breakout, that is a buying opportunity. So around 485 or 490 kind of levels we can enter, and we'll see the 15 minutes chart and we'll have a trade plan for that. So this is M&M Mahindra and Mahindra 15 minutes chart. We'll see here. You see, this is the resistance areas. It has given a breakout here. So how we have to trade on Monday? If the price comes to this area, so here we can attempt for a buy entry around 492 or 490, 1 or 2 rupees, but strict stop loss of 5 rupees. I'm keeping stop loss of 5 rupees. Okay, the risk is 5 rupees and aim a target of 505. This is the 505 is the target. This is the first target. If the price sustains and go high side, and we can aim for 515 kind of levels. We'll see on a daily chart also. So this is the daily chart. This is the supply area. Yeah, 525 is the supply area. So it may test 525 also in coming days. May not be Monday, maybe Tuesday or Wednesday somewhere. So one can attempt for a buying of these stocks with a strict stop loss. Friends, for tomorrow's trading, that is Monday 15th June, we discussed 4 stocks for intraday trading: Apollo Hospital, Mahindra and Mahindra, Petronet LNG, SBI Life. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please share it to your friends. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe.